Did you know that Beethoven counted exactly 60 coffee beans per cup when he brewed his coffee? That's serious dedication to precision and routine. Welcome back to Coffee Minutes, your friendly podcast mixing coffee, productivity, and personal finance tips to fuel your day. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Today, we're diving into how you can plan your day like a CEO, even while enjoying your favorite cup of coffee. Whether you're working from home, running a side hustle, or just want to feel more in control, this episode has practical tips you can start using right away. CEOs don't just randomly jump into their workday. They plan with purpose. And the good news is you don't have to be a Fortune 500 CEO to borrow some of their productivity habits. Here are 5 key strategies to help you own your day, reduce overwhelm, and get more done, all while enjoying your coffee ritual. First, start with a morning routine. Having a consistent morning routine sets the tone for your day. It doesn't have to be complicated. Think simple things like making your bed, stretching, and brewing your coffee mindfully. CEOs often use morning routines to create a calm, intentional start rather than rushing headfirst into chaos. Try pairing your coffee time with a quick planning session. Jot down your top 3 priorities while you sip. It's a small habit that primes your brain for focus. Second, prioritize like a pro. Not all tasks are created equal. CEOs focus on big rocks first, the tasks that move the needle. Use a simple method. Choose 1 to 3 important priorities per day. Write them down and protect that time. When you're drinking coffee, visualize tackling these tasks first before distractions creep in. This mindset shift can seriously boost productivity. Third, time block your schedule. Time blocking means assigning specific chunks of time to different tasks or projects. Instead of a vague to-do list, CEOs carve their day into focused work sessions, breaks, and meetings. Even if your day is flexible, try blocking out coffee breaks or creative thinking time. This helps avoid multitasking and keeps you in the flow. Fourth, use technology wisely. Leverage calendar apps, reminder tools, or simple planners to keep track. But don't get overwhelmed by apps. Pick 1 or 2 that fit your style. For example, use your phone calendar to block focus time. Then treat those blocks like unbreakable appointments. And don't forget to schedule breaks with your coffee. Fifth, reflect and adjust daily. The best CEOs review their day, learn from what worked, and plan for tomorrow. At your coffee break or before bed, spend a few minutes reflecting. Ask yourself, did I accomplish my priorities? What distracted me? What can I improve? This reflection builds self-awareness and continuous growth. These strategies aren't about working harder, they're about working smarter, with intention. And pairing them with your coffee routine turns planning from a chore into a moment of clarity and calm. If you want more tools and guides on productivity and planning, check out the books linked in the description. They're designed to help you build habits that last, just like the perfect cup of coffee. To recap, here are the 5 ways to plan your day like a CEO while sipping coffee. Start with a mindful morning routine. Prioritize your top 1 to 3 tasks. Time block your schedule. Use technology without overwhelm. And reflect daily and adjust. Start small and build these habits into your day gradually. If you enjoyed this episode, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for my curated list of productivity and planning books, plus the Ko-Fi page where you can support the channel. What's your favorite way to plan your day? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your routines. Thanks for hanging out with me on Coffee Minutes. I'll see you in the next episode where we'll dive into coffee versus tea and which one fuels productivity more.